Hi, good afternoon. My name is Danielleenriquez, and I am going to briefly explain the concept of behavioral economics. A formal definition of behavioral economics is that it is grounded in empirical observations of human behavior, which have demonstrated that people do not always make what neoclassical economists consider the rational or optimal decision, even if they have the information and tools available to do so. A more informal explanation of the concept is basically it's the study of the judgment and decision-making processes of consumers. And a few examples I thought of how behavioral economics helps us understand human behavior are how marketing and price affects our enjoyment and perception of a product or service. This can happen when we are shopping and we are looking at an item, like let's say it's a bed, and it's on sale and it's very, very cheap. This usually brings up some suspicion in us, and it's like, well, why is that bed so cheap? It's probably a bad product. There's probably something wrong with it. And that's one thing that happens that is explained in behavioral economics. Another example that I would like to go more in depth in is bottled water. So an average bottle of tap water will be perceived as better if it is in a nicer bottle and if it is priced at a premium. So I searched for two brands of bottled water that are comparable in quality. They're both tap water with a little bit of something done to it, basically like reverse osmosis typically. So they're pretty equal products, but they're drastically different prices. And my examples are Life Water, which goes for about $1.75 a bottle, and Kirkland's at Costco, about 62 cents a bottle. Considering like how much it is, it's usually sold in packs, like large packs. And the only real difference is the bottles and the marketing to sell these items. So Life Water has a very slick design. It's very appealing. It has a nice thick plastic for the bottle, so it's not flimsy and it doesn't like crinkle. Versus Kirkland's, which is 62 cents a bottle typically, and it uses very thin plastic, as little plastic as possible. It doesn't have a very appealing label. It's kind of like a basic label. So it's basically the marketing and the graphics in the bottle that we're paying for versus the actual quality of the water, which is about the same. And I thought that was a really good way of explaining that, how behavioral economics works in a day-to-day basis. I hope that helps, and I hope you have a great day.